Hello guys, welcome to day 1 of learning Malayalam. Here is your first word. Adu, meaning that. Adu, meaning that. Here is your second word. Edukku, meaning take. Edukku, meaning take. Edukku. So, how would you ask SpongeBob to take that in Malayalam? Adu edukku. Adu edukku. Adu edukku.